In question 10, we are looking at solving equations using logs and your general sort of manipulation of log statements. So we'll dive straight in. We've got to use this given fact to show that x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. So let's have that written out. 2 log 3 minus x minus log 21 minus 2x equals 0. So what can we do here? Well, some people attempted to sort of do 10 to the power of both sides at the first stage. I think that's a little trickier than what we want to do. So I'm going to add that log to both sides. So take it over to the other side. So we get 2 log 3 minus x equals log 21 minus 2x. Use your laws of logs, bring that 2 up as a power. So we have log of 3 minus x squared equals log of 21 minus 2x. And now you can raise both sides to the power of 10 because that will clear out both of those logs. So I'll write that step in, but lots of people wouldn't do. When you do 10 to the power of log something, you're going to sort of cancel out those logs. And from here, it's a matter of just rearranging. This is going to be a simple quadratic equation that we're going to write it in the correct form. So I'll just expand that bracket. 9 minus 6x plus x squared. And I'm going to take these two terms and pop them on the left-hand side. So I'm going to add 2x and take away the 21. So let's add the 2x first. And then take away the 21. What is 9? Is that minus 12? Yes. And then it's just literally a matter of reordering it to get it into the right format. So let's just go back to the question and just double check that we've done what they've asked us to. So given that that's true, so we started from that statement and we've ended up at that statement. So we are correct. Part B, it says write down the roots of this equation. Well, it's fairly easy to factorize. It's minus 6 plus 2. So the roots are 6 and minus 2. And then for the second part of B, it says state which of those two roots is not a solution to the original equation. So I'll just show you this. State which of these two roots that we've just found is not a solution of the original equation, giving a reason for your answer. So when we look back at the original equation, you have to remember that there is something about logarithms. You can't have the logarithm of a negative number. The logarithm of a negative number. If you say you can't have a negative log, that's not quite correct. You can't have the log of a negative number. So if we look at both of these brackets here, with the values of x in mind that we've just worked out, 6 and minus 2. So if that was a 6, then we would have the log of a negative number, 3 minus 6. Whereas if it was a negative 2, then the log would be of a positive number and it would be fine. So I think that x equals 6 is an issue here. Let's just double check in this one. If I put 6 in there, that's fine, that's a positive number. If I put minus 2 in there, that's fine, it's a positive number. But here, if I put 6 into here, I get an undefined answer. So we have to write x equals 6 is not a solution, as log 3 minus 6, which is log of minus 3, does not exist logarithms only exist for positive numbers. Okay, so not a lot more to say on that one. I think that's done.